In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your phone number from Google Meet. Managing your personal information online can be crucial for maintaining privacy, and taking control of where your contact details are visible is an important step. So let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process, which only takes about 5 minutes. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Meet homepage. This is your starting point from which you can access various settings related to your Google account. Once you're there, look over to the top right corner where you'll find your profile icon. It's usually a small circle that either contains your picture or the first letter of your name. Click on this icon and a small menu will appear. In the menu, look for the option that says Manage your Google account. Clicking on this will redirect you to your Google account settings. This area is essentially the control panel for all things related to your Google identity, from security preferences to personal information management. Once you've landed on the Google account page, scan through the options on the left-hand side. You'll see several tabs, but the one you're interested in is labeled Personal Info. Click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing your personal details like your name, email, phone number, and more. Scrolling down a bit within the Personal Info tab, you'll notice a section that highlights contact details. Here is where your phone number will be listed. Click on the Phone section to proceed. This action will lead you to a page displaying all phone numbers linked to your account. Next, you'll see an edit icon right next to your phone number. Click on that and you'll be given several options regarding your phone number. Look for the option to delete or remove the number. Click on it and you might be prompted to verify your decision, possibly needing to re-enter your account password. This is a security measure to ensure that only you, the account holder, can make these changes. After you've confirmed the removal, your phone number will be deleted from your Google Meet account as well as from other Google services that use the same account. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that your contact information isn't stored or used without your intention. And that's it, you're now in control of your phone number visibility on Google Meet. Remember, keeping your account secure is an ongoing process, so feel free to explore other privacy settings within your Google account to enhance your digital privacy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials.